The P0420 diagnostic trouble code is one of the most common issues in Toyota vehicles. This code indicates that your catalytic converter's efficiency has fallen below the required threshold on bank 1 of your engine. The catalytic converter is designed to reduce harmful emissions by converting toxic gases into less harmful substances. When efficiency drops below threshold, the P0420 code triggers. Bank 1 refers to the side of the engine that contains cylinder number 1. This diagram shows how Toyota engines are organized into banks for diagnostic purposes. There are 3 primary causes of P0420 codes. Catalytic converter failure accounts for 60% of cases, oxygen sensor malfunction causes 25%, and engine performance issues cause the remaining 15%. Modern diagnostic tools now provide real-time catalyst efficiency monitoring with percentage readings, making diagnosis much more precise than older pass-fail indicators. Toyota has released updated technical service bulletins for 2020 to 2024 model years, particularly addressing P0420 issues in popular models like the RAV4, Camry, and Highlander. Proper diagnosis of the P0420 code requires a systematic approach. Modern diagnostic procedures have evolved beyond simple code reading to comprehensive system analysis. The modern diagnostic approach follows 5 critical steps. Each step builds upon the previous one to ensure accurate diagnosis and prevent unnecessary part replacement. Step 1 involves analyzing live data from upstream and downstream oxygen sensors. Modern scan tools display real-time switching patterns, fuel trims, and system status that reveal catalyst efficiency. Step 4 requires thorough exhaust system inspection. Understanding the complete system layout helps identify potential leak points and component relationships. When diagnosis reveals catalyst failure, internal damage is often severe. This damaged converter shows the typical substrate breakdown that triggers P0420 codes. Industry data from 2024 reveals important patterns. P0420 accounts for 12% of all Toyota diagnostic codes, with 80% occurring between 80,000 and 150,000 miles. Recent regulatory changes affect repair options. The EPA now enforces stricter aftermarket catalyst standards, and several states require OEM equivalent parts for newer vehicles. Prevention is more cost-effective than replacement. Regular oil changes, quality fuel, prompt misfire repair, and periodic highway driving can extend catalyst life by up to 40%. When replacement becomes necessary, choosing the right parts is crucial. OEM or OEM equivalent catalysts provide the best long-term reliability and warranty coverage.